Have you ever wondered how to make your crypto work for you, even when you're just holding it? The answer often lies in staking. But with so many platforms offering staking services, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Today, we're diving deep into two of the biggest names in the crypto world, Kraken and Coinbase. We're going to break down their staking offerings, comparing everything from supported assets and rewards to fees, security, and user experience, so you can decide which platform best suits your staking goals. Staking, for those new to the concept, is essentially a way to earn rewards by holding certain cryptocurrencies. In proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain networks, staking involves locking up your crypto assets to support the network's operations, such as validating transactions and securing the blockchain. In return for your participation, you earn new coins as a reward, similar to earning interest in a traditional savings account. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income from your crypto holdings, but like any investment, it comes with its own set of considerations. Before we jump into the head-to-head, let's understand the core idea behind staking a bit more. Imagine a traditional bank where you deposit money and earn interest. Staking is a bit like that, but instead of depositing fiat currency, you're depositing your cryptocurrency into a network. This helps to maintain the integrity and security of that network. The more crypto you stake, and the longer you stake it, generally the more rewards you can earn. However, it's crucial to remember that your staked assets are often locked up for a certain period, meaning you can't immediately sell or trade them. This lockup period is a key factor to consider, as crypto markets are notoriously volatile, and prices can fluctuate significantly. Now, let's talk about the two contenders, Kraken and Coinbase. Both are well-established, reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, but they cater to slightly different user bases and have distinct approaches to staking. Kraken, the power user's choice for staking? Kraken has built a strong reputation as an exchange for more experienced traders, offering a wider array of advanced features, lower trading fees for higher volumes, and a strong emphasis on security. When it comes to staking, Kraken has generally been known for offering more diverse staking options and potentially higher annual percentage yields, APYs. Supported assets and rewards, Kraken has historically supported a broader range of cryptocurrencies for staking compared to Coinbase. This includes popular assets like Ethereum, ETH, Polkadot, DOT, Solana, SOL, Cardano, ADA, Cosmos, Atom, and many others. The APY for these assets can vary significantly, with some reaching as high as 22% or even 23% for certain coins like Canva. This higher potential return is a significant draw for users looking to maximize their passive income. Kraken also offers both flexible and bonded staking options, providing some flexibility depending on your risk tolerance and liquidity needs. Flexible staking allows for easier unstaking, while bonded staking typically offers higher rewards but comes with a longer lockup period. Fees. Kraken's fee structure for staking is generally perceived as competitive. While they take a commission on your staking rewards, their overall fees for trading on their Kraken Pro platform are lower than Coinbase, particularly for higher volume traders. However, it's important to note that their instant buy option for beginners can have higher fees. For staking, the commission taken from your rewards is transparent, but it's always wise to check the latest rates directly on their platform. Security. Security is a paramount concern in the crypto space, and Kraken has a strong track record. They emphasize robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for a significant portion of user funds, meaning assets are held offline, away from potential hacks, and regular proof of reserves audits. Kraken also employs unique security features like Master Key and Global Settings Lock, GSL, to protect against 2FA failures. They have a proud record of not experiencing any major hacking events in their history, which instills a good level of confidence. User experience. While Kraken has been traditionally seen as more geared towards experienced traders, they have made efforts to improve their user interface for beginners. Their mobile app offers an intuitive experience, and Kraken Pro provides advanced charting tools for power users. However, some users still find the platform a bit more complex to navigate compared to Coinbase, especially for those entirely new to crypto. Regulatory landscape. It's crucial to address the regulatory environment. Kraken has faced scrutiny from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, regarding its staking-as-a-service program. In 2023, Kraken settled with the SEC for $30 million and, as a result, stopped offering staking to U.S. customers. However, they resumed staking services in January 2025 for some U.S. states and territories. This means that if you're a U.S. resident, the availability of staking on Kraken will depend on your specific state. It's essential to check if your state is supported before considering Kraken for staking. Pros of staking on Kraken. Generally higher staking rewards/APYs. Broader selection of cryptocurrencies for staking. Both flexible and bonded staking options available. Strong security measures and a good track record of no major hacks. Lower trading fees for Kraken Pro users. Cons of staking on Kraken. Staking availability for U.S. customers is restricted by state due to regulatory actions. User interface can be more complex for absolute beginners. Higher fees for instant buy transactions. Some users have reported mixed experiences with customer support. Coinbase, the beginner-friendly staking gateway? Coinbase is often the first cryptocurrency exchange many new users encounter. It's renowned for its user-friendly interface, simple buying and selling processes, and strong regulatory compliance. When it comes to staking, Coinbase aims to make the process as straightforward as possible for its users. Supported assets and rewards. Coinbase supports fewer cryptocurrencies for staking compared to Kraken. Their primary staking offerings include Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, Tezos, XTZ, Cosmos, Atom, and USD Coin, USDC. The staking rewards on Coinbase are generally lower than what you might find on Kraken, with APYs typically ranging up to 5% for most assets. While this might seem less attractive on the surface, Coinbase's ease of use and automatic staking for eligible assets make it a popular choice for beginners who prioritize simplicity. Fees. Coinbase fee structure, particularly for their basic exchange, tends to be higher than Kraken's, especially for smaller transactions. They often charge a spread on transactions, which can make it less transparent how much you're truly paying in fees. For staking, Coinbase takes a commission from the rewards earned from the protocol. While they state this as a transparent Coinbase fee, users should always be aware of how it impacts their net returns. Coinbase also offers a Coinbase One subscription service that provides zero trading fees, excluding Coinbase Advanced, and boosted staking rewards, but this is a premium offering. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.